I used to work out with this ruck pack, the Condor Compact Assault Pack. And recently I changed to a plate carrier with plate weights in it. So this is the Agilite K19. So let's take a closer look at this plate carrier. So just looking at the outside, it looks like your standard plate carrier. So you got your hook and loop right here and right here. So I have my patches on it with Molly, of course. And then the back has a hook and loop right here, and of course Molly throughout. It does have the cummerbund, or the straps to hold it in place, and it's easily adjustable by just pulling these tabs right here. It does have the strap keeper, so I have it adjusted and right, and then secured right here, so it's not flapping around, so I don't really need to adjust it anymore. And plus, if you look at this part right here, you see how it's folded or curled a little bit. So this bottom part is stretching material, so it stretches a little bit, maybe about ½ an inch. So there is some give if you have it on and you have it kind of tight, or if you're moving around and say like you kneel down and it needs to expand a little bit. So there is some give. Right here in the front is just an admin pouch, and it does come with these buckles, and we'll go over these buckles a little later. So this admin pouch goes down to about right here. And then so the shoulder straps, or where it's on your shoulders, it's very well padded. And so what they say is also a V design. So if you follow the line, it does come to here, and also the back comes to here. So that's how it's aligned. That's supposed to decrease or make it feel better while you're carrying the weight, so it's better load distribution. So that with the padding, it is very comfortable wearing it with plates in it. Very easily adjustable through these various straps, and on the side also. It does have a rapid release, so if you're wearing it, you just pull, and then the Velcro comes off, and you can just take it off. So, and if you don't like that, and you don't feel like you need to release it, you can take these off. If I could actually get it through. And that's for one section that comes in here is these. So you just slide it through, close it up, open this, take this off, and you just slip it through here. And now it is not rapidly removable, but it's the buckle here has a much smaller profile. If you want to take a better look at it. So let me put the buckle back on. Those buckles are back on. So when it comes to these side straps, these G hooks are attached here at the end, but you could also take them off and attach it to any part of the molly back here to make it smaller if you need to. And then these buckles that it comes with, there's 4 of them, and there's these 4 loops right here. And this is in case you want to use one of their packs that attach to this, and you do not want to use the MOLLE. Because you could also attach those MOLLE packs to it, or those MOLLE backpacks to it. So, there's this carry handle right here in the back. It attaches through hook and loop, so it's out of the way. But the only thing I don't like about this is the loop part is under the handle. So, you know, it is the rough part when you're actually carrying it. It's very rugged, but I just don't like that part. But it's not a big deal because I don't carry it there. I carry it through here. The inside is just your standard mesh. And then on the front and back, of course, is where your plates go. So this area folds open, and it does have these buckles, because inside it does have these straps where you would put through here and secure and close it and secure your plates in here. So it's very secure once it's in here. So let us take a look with it on. So here it is on. It's a little looser because I don't have my plates in it. I use these plates, which are a little thicker because they are sandbag plates made by 511. But very comfortable. So this is the quick release. So you just grab these tabs. The only thing is it's harder to get on, especially when it's a little tighter, or like, you know, when it fits right with all my plates in it, because it's hard to grab this and pull it forward and align it right here. So trying to align this here and snapping it in, but it's not too bad. But it's very easily removed by grabbing these. You could get your standard Velcro, like cummerbund, which you see in many of the plate carriers with this, but it is extra. But I do like how this is. So you can just grab it and grab it, and then you can just drop it. That one, this side didn't come out as easily because it is empty, but if it had more weight, then it would have more resistance, so you could get it off easier. So here it is on with my plate. So you see it's a little harder just to get it aligned. Not bad, but you know, it's easy. It would be easier if it just had the Velcro attachment. So here it is with the plates in it. Very comfortable. Could do push-ups. I could do squats. Could run with it. So just grab it. So that's with it on. So it's a lot easier when you actually have your plates in it to remove it. That is your review of the Agilite K19.